Empire token will be sent to different exchanges. So if you come to your Empire account, you discover that you're going to see a message like this, that your token will be sent to CEX. Then if you come to here, the amount that was sent and details is here. So this token is expected to reflect on or before 24th around 12 UTC, as you can see from here, which happen to be the listing time for X. So if you have not seen your own in your exchange reflecting, don't worry. Just continue to check between now and tomorrow. Your token will actually arrive. Then there is another thing here. You discover from my account here, I see I have some token that have not been sent to exchange, which is Bloomer. And for those of you having NFT, your NFT will also be pending till tomorrow. But there are some things you can actually do now to actually claim your unclaimed tokens. And what can you do? If you scroll down here, you can see you can connect it to on-chain for airdrop. If you see the Bloomer, I said on-chain only, so you can only connect it to your, you can only claim it to your on-chain. So for you to do that, you can click on the on-chain airdrop, click on connect, select the wallet you want to use. I prefer using Tokenkeeper. So then you connect. And for those of you having NFT, if you actually minted your NFT on your Tokenkeeper, you can use it, connect it to your Tokenkeeper. So if you're having NFT, make sure it's the same wallet you use to mint your NFT. You are connecting this on-chain and wallet connection to. You get that? So we're going to connect it now. So the connection is successful. But note this. Here he said October 24th at 12 p.m. UTC. That is when the token will be distributed to those using on-chain. So if you any token you are claiming for on-chain claiming will actually be distributed tomorrow by 12 p.m. UTC. And the deadline on on-chain claiming is 31st of this month. So you have to make sure you do your connection as fast as possible. For those of you having NFT, you have to go a step further. You have to come here, click on convert NFT to X. Then here you copy this wallet address. So when you copy the wallet address, the next thing you do is to come to your Tokenkeeper, go to collectible. You can see collectible here. So you are going to see your minted NFT. So the NFT present here is not the original NFT, this one. So I'm just using this as an example. So you click on your minted NFT, then click on transfer, then you see a place where you put the address, then you can send it there. You get that? So make sure you follow all the steps that is necessary and do what is right. So if you have any question or any clarification, drop it in the comment section so that we can see how we can be of help to you. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Join my Telegram channel because you're going to be getting exciting offer on how to make money online. See you next time for more.